you guys, I am so excited. I can't wait to show you my new toy that I got from Stampin' Up today. It is still in the box. I haven't even gotten it out of it yet because I can't wait to show it to you. So let's go ahead and get down. I'll point you down to my desk and I'll show you what it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so exciting. I can't wait to open this and show you my new toy. Dun, 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 dun. Whoops. Uh-oh. Do you see what it says? Oh, let's go this way. Stampin' Cut Emboss. My embossing machine is here. I'm so excited, you guys. Let's get all this other stuff out of here. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how cute it is. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's put on okay, let's see. You ready to watch? Look. Look. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You can put the sides up so it has a small area that you can store it. Yay. Okay, and it comes with a little bit of assembly. We'll do that in a minute, but I want to show you this part, the different plates that come with it when you order. Let's see, does this have any directions on it? Yes, it does. It has directions. Let me see. Important things to read, which we'll do later. Inside this box and care instructions. We'll look at that in a minute. Attaching the handle. Okay, so here's the handle. Here's the, don't lose this little gray thing because you need it. See how tiny it is? Don't lose that, it's in there. Then we have the Allen wrench, and we have the little, I'm going to call it washer and screw. So, position the handle in the machine. Okay, there's a, I don't know if you can see it, but see, it looks like a D. And then there's a D on the side here. So we want to match the straight side of the D with that at that part. We're going to just push it in there like so. Then it says slide the washer onto the screw, then insert the screw and washer through the handle into the crankshaft. So I'm putting the washer in the screw, just like that. And then I'm going to put it in there. Actually, I think it'll be easier if I do it this way. Do it like this. And then just put it in there and screw it on. So then, if I want to ever remove the handle, I'm just going to do it backwards. But then we're going to place this little thing on the end, like that. I'm going to assume that it just makes it look pretty. So that's how it's going to look. See that? Okay. And I'm going to save my Allen wrench. I'm going to put it over here. I have a little shelving unit back behind where you can't see, and that's where I'm going to put that. Okay, so let's go through here. It's going to tell me what I have inside this box. And there's different languages. It has, let's see, Stampin Cut Machine, which is this beautiful thing right here. Oh, and it even has a Stampin Up insignia right here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use this. Oh, yay. Okay. We have the base plate, which I'm going to assume is this. Yep, this is the this is the base. This is the die cutting edge. Nope, this is place die cutting edge down. And then we have 2 plates. 2 plates. Here we go. And then we have the specialty plate. And I'll be showing you how to use this in videos to come. So make sure that you watch for videos on how to use this thing. Okay, because I'll be learning it just like you are. So I'm sure there's a little bit of a learning curve. But you guys, I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to use it. And look at how cute it is. It's just so cute. And then you pull this down. And then you pull this side down. And then everything goes through like this. And then to put it away, you just close it up. Just like that. Sorry. Isn't that just the cutest thing? I just love this thing so much. I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for a long time for this new Stampin' Up cutting machine. So, like I said, be sure you tune in to watch how to use this. I'll be doing a video directions on how to use this very soon. So make sure you stay tuned. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to share that with you. And have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by, and happy creating with the new die cut machine from Stampin' Up. Yay!